Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make chicken adobo. Let's get started. First we're gonna have this cuts of chicken, like 500 grams. Put this in. Next we're gonna put our bay leaves, 3 pieces of bay leaves. Then our black pepper, like 1 teaspoon. Crushed garlic, 3 cloves. Half of onion. Olive oil, you can use any oil you have, 1 teaspoon. Two tablespoons of vinegar. Normal vinegar is fine. And half a cup soy sauce. And also, we'll add half cup of water. That's it. Then we're gonna put our lid on. This will cook about 20 minutes, I think. Yeah, 20 minutes. It depends of your cooker. Let's wait until it's ready. Then we're gonna stir our chicken. We're gonna check our chicken. Let's check again our chicken. Now it's nicely caramelized. That means it's cooked. Now we're gonna plate. Oops. We're gonna scoop all the sauces. Let's put this aside. There you have it. That's our chicken adobo. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe. See you again soon. Bye.